like, I think he's told me once I couldn't have a delivery.
Go pick up 2 yards of cushion sand for unique lawn design. Alright, you gotta love those steep driveways. Always fun to back up to and can't see where you're going. They have a French drain they're installing. Need some sand to put down in the base of it. Got sand delivered. He's happy with it. His customer's also standing there. They're happy with it.
He's never not one, like, I think he's told me once I couldn't have a delivery.
Thanks for watching.